Meaning of doggedness.
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 Doggedness. Doggedness refers to the quality of being persistent, tenacious, and determined, especially in the face of difficulties or obstacles. Someone who exhibits doggedness does not give up easily and is willing to keep working towards their goal despite setbacks or challenges. This trait is often admired because it can lead to success in various areas of life, such as career, relationships, and personal development. In summary, doggedness is the ability to stay committed and focused on a goal, even when the going gets tough.